Hi, I'm talking about emotional intelligence. Specifically, I want to talk about the behavior of problem solving, which falls in the decision making category. Problem solving, a very critical workplace skill set to have nowadays, even more so, I think. What's the definition of problem solving? Well, it's really your ability to find solutions to problems in situations where your emotions are involved. And it includes the ability to understand how your emotions are affecting your problem solving capabilities. So, people who are good problem solvers typically are very self motivated. So, they see the problem as a challenge and they persevere until they find the solution. They also very typically have a structure that they follow to problem solve that's effective for them. So when you do an emotional intelligence assessment, your EQ score will show problem solving on a scale from low to high. You can think of the mid spot as the sweet spot from where most of the population lies. If you're on the low side for problem solving, what that can look like is really your emotions kind of take over that logical side of the problem solving. So you're in a state of overwhelm. People often describe it as frozen. I couldn't make the decision. I couldn't even think through the problem solving process. Sometimes they won't even recognize there's a problem until it's a ginormous problem. So there's no ability to even see the problem coming sometimes when they're too emotional in the process. If you're to the high side of the range, that can often mean that you're kind of overusing your ability to problem solve. What that might look like is that you are really logical in the process and you're not considering emotions at all. So you specifically are probably not considering others' emotions. So what this might look like is that you might be a quick to problem solve, or in situations that are particularly emotional, like perhaps an employee layoff, or in a personal situation, a serious family illness, you may come off as very cold and impersonal in your ability to create the solution to the problem. So you might be, interpreted as kind of turned off and non-feeling in those situations. So, my name is Shannon West. My company is Remy Fox Management Inc. I hope this was helpful, and I hope you'll stay tuned as I create more videos about the emotional intelligence behaviors. Thanks.